Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Little Kitty Big City. Let's go ahead and load up our save. Yes, we do. I hope you all enjoyed the first episode. I surely enjoyed making and editing it together. And I hope we both enjoy this one together. Again, my squeaky chair is a paid actor. Trying to get comfortable on it. Oh, look at us. Ooh, stretch. Yes. Get the stretch in. Ooh. Alright. Let's see. We gotta remember controls again. Oh, that went in the water. I hope okay. Ooh. At least I got it. We're already off to a good start. Alright. Oh. Alright, so we left off here in the last episode. There is a construction site over here. I think we can go around it. Oh, there's a dog. We gotta watch out for the dog. Okay. They have I think that's a hat back there. Oh, excuse me. Can I go up the stairs without... Okay. I didn't know if I could get up the stairs without him barking at me. Alright. Alrighty. Ooh, let's go down here. Hello. Ooh, pick up. Look how cute we are. It's a hard hat. Hello. It's the small furry safety officer here. Can I inspect your snacks? Me. Alright. There's a cute thing in here, so I'm not going to put that on yet. I'm going to go in here. See, construction. Ooh. Oh, look, he's mad. He's mad. Where's the... Oh, no. Wait. Sir, unhand me. Okay, now, how he puts us out. I'm following you. Okay. Now, we're gonna go... Let me see if I can remember. No, that's not it. That, I think it's options. Or plus. Okay. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna find the hard hat. And wear that. That way we can get both in and out of here without him. See, he won't mess with us. But it is funny. Ooh, let's go over here. Whoop. Alright. I can't climb vines yet. Let's go back this way. I like the thrill of him following me though, really. But I'm an industrial artist. Oh, so beautiful. It's abstract. Oh no. Wait. Who's up here? Can I knock this over first? Oh, hello. You are a mosquito? Oh no. Are you okay? Do I look okay? Sorry. I didn't mean to snap. That's okay. Has something happened? I made a big mistake. Big. Huge. Will it help to talk about it? Maybe, but it feels too huge for such a small kitty to help with, though. I mean, as mistakes go, this is even bigger than the great #Shadowban catastrophe of 2021. The what of when? Because how can I be expected to run an effective #Taffy takeover on social media without a working phone? Why are you using tic-tac-toe grids when you talk? What's a phone? Let's go with the second option. You mean these? It's a magic spell? Okay. Sort of, but you don't need so many of them. LOL? So it's more like #this? You got it. They're called hashtags, by the way. You use them to weave your stuff into different spaces online. That sounds like a magic spell to me. Can I see these spaces? Not without my phone. And my phone currently looks like... Oop. This. Oh, my human has one of those, but it's less gloopy. So is mine usually. I dropped it in wet concrete. What does LOL mean? Oh, it just means laughing out loud. But you weren't laughing at all. You were sad. Ah, but if I say LOL when I'm sad, you can't tell I'm sad. Or at least, that was the idea. LOL. Put that down one. LOL? Exactly. And dropping the phone thingy is why you're upset? Yes, I need it for work. Taffy is going to fire me, for sure, if I don't fix it. LOL. Who's Taffy? She's kind of my boss. Or she would be if I was being paid. She's an icon, a phenomenon, a nightmare. I think Forbes magazine called her the fluffiest billionaire on the internet. A fluffy nightmare? Wait, is Taffy a cat? No, Taffy is the cat. LOL. That's her up there. Oh, I know her. I see her in my human's phone thingy. She has the coolest house and the best outfits and the fluffiest fur. I picked those outfits and I styled that fur. In fact, I was here looking for inspiration when I dropped my phone. No phone means no internet, and no internet means no new Taffy content for her fans. LOL. But that's dreadful news. We have to fix it. Let me think. I know. I will get you a new phone. Let me turn this volume down just a bit more. You can do that? Oh, of course. I think so. Humans have at least one phone thingy each, so let's just borrow one. They love Taffy, so they will be delighted to help. Wait right here, Beetle. Oh, it's Beetle. I'll be back with the phone in no time. LOL. LMAO. Thanks. Replace the Beetle's phone. Okay, let's go get one. Oh, whack. Slap. Weep. Whack. Ooh, shinies. Wait, I need to buy it. There we go. Just picking up my shinies. Okay. Let's, I can't go that way. Now wait. Oh, wait. Just go and do some construction, you know. Looking through the perimeter, walking the perimeter. Okay. Let's pull this out of the way. All the way out of the way so we don't get stuck. And let's go. Construction Kitty to the rescue. Hello, sir. You seem to be looking at something. Ah, thank you. Hope it wasn't new. Oh. Oh, no, he's coming. No. Go to the construction. Where is it? Oh. Go. He's going to get me. Wait, did he leave? Okay, because I can't. Let me see, right? I couldn't do it quick. Alright. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Gosh, sorry for your eyes, people. Sorry, loves. Oh, no. Wait. No. That way. There we go. Alright, drop. You did it! Thank you so much. Do you want the old one? It still takes pictures. You just can't do emailing or anything. What's emailing? You don't do emailing? I don't think so. So, you've never been CC'd or heard the phrase, per my last message? Per this pillow behind my back going over here. Because it keeps getting in my way. Nope. Although I do purr all my messages, now that I come to think about it. What an absolutely blissful life you must lead, kitty. Well, anyway, here's your phone. We got a concrete dipped phone. Okay, wait, press... Is that down to open photo mode? Okay. Taking photos is really simple. You just bring up the camera, pose, and click. In fact, you should take a celebratory selfie right now. Bring up the camera and get snapping. LOL. Okay, so down. Oh, jeez, we're tilting. Can we take a photo of you? Take photo. Ta-da! I think that goes right to my gallery, so that'll be good. How do I get out of here? Wait! Okay. Don't, please! Okay. I'm pressing every button. Alright, I took a photo. Please don't. Okay. Okay, so... That's yours. Hello. Alright. What are my objectives? Meow. Alright. Let's see. Okay, take 20 photos. Okay. Meet 15 animal friends. Okay. Okay, bring crow, 25 shinies. I have 18 so far. Okay. Alright, so I guess keep finding shinies and take 20 photos. Okay, we can do that. There's gotta be something over here. We need to distract the dog somehow. Let me go back up here. Oops. Alright, jump up. Alright, can I... Okay, wait. If I go... let's try it out. Oh, wait. Okay, if I go... Can I... Oh, no, I don't want to... Oh, okay. Oh, no. Alright, there's got to be a way. Let's crawl under here, shall we? Oh gosh, avert the eyes, please. Okay. Oh, right here. I missed it the first time. Let's go back this way. Thank you, sir. Alright. I have a bone for you. Look how cute. You're so cute. Cornhood. Corn dogs are over. This is the era of corn cats. Alright. Should we just put on each hat as we find it? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, found some things. So that's a plus. Alright, we got 21. Alright. Good show. Ooh, I went right through the box. Okay. Another shiny. Okay. So we got that. I don't think there's anywhere I can go over there. I guess... Ooh, I don't have my construction hat over here. Oh, no. Go this way. Go this way. Oh, don't knock into the thing. Go this way. Oh, there's water right there. Oh, go around. Go. Go, baby, go. Alright. Crawl. Go. Why are you not going? No, he's gonna get me. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright. I guess we try to find shinies. Let's go over here. Let's try this way. I can't pull this. Okay. What about this one? Yep. Right, thank you. 23, we need 2 more. There's one. I don't think I can pull these because, yeah. Use a can. Oh, shoot. Okay. Can't go that way. I don't have another bone yet. Where is... Oh, there's my other 2 cans. Don't step in the water. Where was... I know they had a... No, not that way. I'm going right back to the construction area. Okay, so this place isn't big, it's just here we go. Deposit. I'd like to make a deposit, please. 25. Let's go back and talk to the crow. Oops, sorry, genuinely. Trying to see which way. I guess go this way. Sorry, ma'am. Nope, not that way. Wait, was it that way? Wait, no, but they have a dog. Oh my gosh, I'm getting sidetracked. Over here. Let's move this way back. Let's talk to you. Are all of these shinies? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So shiny, so pretty, so reflective. Who's a pretty crow? Are you disposing of them responsibly? Yes. And with that, we have completed our first heroic act together. Can I try disposing of them? Definitely not. These are ancient crow rituals. Well, do I get my reward? Your what? Oh yes, your reward. Now, where on earth did I see that fish? Just a minute. Wait, Crow? Was this a scam? Where did he go? Here. Oh. Whoa, a fish. This should give you some climbing energy. Not enough to get all the way home, but it's a start. Where would I start climbing? The vines. There. You're going to need more fish to make it all the way to the top. Do you have any more? Not right now, but I've seen them elsewhere in the city. Just keep your eyes open and you'll find them. Thank you. No worries. Enjoy the fish. Oh, and keep hold of any shinies you find out there. I've just had an idea. Let's eat. Oh. Are you munching out? Give it a try. Let's give it a try. I feel so much better. Let's go climb some ivy. Alright, let's go. There we go. Oh, our little energy meter. Okay, so yeah, we don't have drop down. Alright. Let's go explore. Oh, let's go get this other shiny. Uh-oh. I was trying to get the other shiny. Oh, hello there. I wonder if you could provide some urgent assistance? I think it depends on the problem. No. Oh, I see. Quite right. Quite right. I don't want to alarm anyone, yet it's a rather pressing concern. Although perhaps I'm just panicking, but there's no two ways about it. About what? Oh, didn't I say? I seem to have mislaid my ducklings. Mislaid? Is this a bird joke? I don't follow. Never mind. Missing ducklings sound pretty serious. It does, doesn't it? What happened? Well, we were all enjoying an educational tour of the neighborhood, me teaching the youngsters some local history, etc. For example, you know the robot statue in the park behind us? I didn't even know there was a statue there. Oh, you should absolutely visit it. You see, the robot is quite fascinating. Not a statue in the traditional sense either. Legend has it that a wise duck, not too dissimilar from myself in fact, would visit this park every day with his robot friend. Very loyal robots, delightful. Back then, this was a lake, open great wet thing where the pair would swim, splashing and frolicking, you know, that sort of thing. But robots in water, eh? Eh? All that fizzing and sputtering, not simpatico at all. Rust patches, wet, circulatory. Yeah. Exploding knees? The robot, not the duck, I mean. The robot's swimming days were over. Terribly sad stuff, so we asked the duck to change his programming. Quite the feat, if you ask me. Could never get my head round computers myself. The duck okay, we're gonna go past that. The duck was attacked by a radioactive monster. Gecko. Usually Gecko is our protector. You know, breathing fire, saving orphans, charity galas. Lovely chap, apart from the rampages, really. Rampages? Gecko kidnaps the duck and whoops-a-daisy throws him through a star portal. Whoosh! Quack! Never to be seen again! And the thing we mistake for a statue in the playground is actually the loyal robot waiting patiently for his friend to return from his swim. Oh. Are you saying that Gecko has kidnapped your children? Oh no, it's just a great story. I shared with the ducklings before we split up to find more neighborhood stories. I am very resourceful. I'll keep watch here. Been kind of enjoying it, really. And you scout the city. The whole city? It seems pretty big. You're right. There must be a way for us to narrow down our search. Eureka! We made a city map just last week. Marvelous thing. Okay. Take it. I will take it. I have a map. Up to view the map. Okay. I need fish, that's why. Alright. Okay. Okay, so I'm there. Okay. So if I go... Okay. I go this way? I think I can keep looking. Okay. We're just gonna go. Was that a bone? I didn't want to meet. Oh, it was. Okay. I don't want to miss anything, especially if I can get round the dog. And dog. There we go. You take the bone, I'll take the way. Let's see if I'm going the right way. Oh yeah, we're going like away from the duck. Okay, yeah. Okay. This way? How does one thing? Okay. Wait. Oops, sorry. Madam, excuse me. Okay, wait, there's one in here. Let's see if we go over. Oops. Okay, wait. Oop, I got it. Why isn't it working? No, wait, I can't get it. Oh, because of that. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, no. Okay, wait. I gotta get used to this. No, okay. Oh. Let's get in here. Oh. Good talk. No. Hello in there. Your dad sent me to fetch you for show and tell. But my ride hasn't finished. I can't get out while it's still going. How long does it have left? I don't know. I fed it 400 shinies. How long does that get me? Wait, where did you find that many shinies? According to the sign, it seems to be 60 hours. 60 hours? That's amazing! But what about your dad? You can take me back to Dad as soon as the door pops open. You promise? Promise. There must be a way to get the door open without waiting. What was that? Nothing. Just talking to myself. See you after the ride. Let's see. Ooh, let's not. What's that? Can I push the red button? Nope, okay. Never mind then. Can I possibly get up here where the shiny thing is without... Nap? I don't want to nap. Okay, cute. Oh! I bet you're wondering how to push that button, huh? I was. You read my mind. It's pretty easy. You just have to use your head. And by use your head, I mean run head first at the button. You just bump the button with your head and that's it. Okay. Let's go. He told you how to do it. Let's do it. Oh, look! Oh, wait, where's the bird? Did you see me in there? I was tumbling everywhere. I did. Aren't you a bit dizzy now? Nope, but I'm very warm and fluffy. This must be what it's like to be a towel. Anyway, I can't wait to tell Dad all about the death-defying dryer machine. Shall we go find him then? Yep, let's go. I guess... Okay. Let's go up here. You already want to go in the dryer? Okay. Excuse me. Alright, let's go back out here. Okay. Is the duck coming with? Okay. Alright, we got the first one. Alright. I think I'm pointing out. Oh, look at it following me. It's so cute. Okay. One is in here. Sir, shall we talk to the mayor then? Hold down. Okay. Am I in the right spot? Yeah. Are you in here? Oh. Wait, I think I hear some chirping. Pick this up. That might be the duck behind me though. A banana heart for when I need to make like a banana and split. Alright, let's try to get up here. We're gonna put on our banana hat in one moment. Let's see. Okay, I hope I'm being led up here because this is the only logical place. Okay. Oh, there it is. Yep. Okay, let's put our banana hat on. Why? I don't know. Because it's cute. Hello up there. Hi, are you here to see me fly? I'm super great at it. You are, but that isn't why I'm here. Your dad asked me to find you and bring you back to the pond. Is it time for show and tell already? Is it? Okay, but is there a problem? It's not a problem exactly. It's just that I don't quite know how I started flying, so I also don't quite know how to stop flying. I see. So unfortunately, I'll have to just stay up here. Whee! Leave here with me. I'll have you down shortly. Okay, but not too shortly, if you don't mind. I do mind. Okay. Ooh, it's so weird being back on solid ground again. Weren't you scared being stuck up there like that? Birds aren't really scared of stuff like that. Dad says that flying is in our feathers. Speaking of your dad, we should get back to him for show and tell. I can tell him all about flying. Okay. There's a shiny over there, and the two ducks are over here. Can I mark? Okay, no, I can't. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Oh, hi, Tanuki. Alright, so if we go back down that way... Okay. Wait. I confused myself now. This way? Yeah. Look at them. I gotta stay out the water, but y'all can totally, swim through it. Oop. Alright. So we go right. Is this right? Yeah. Ooh, I can't get past the dog though. Okay, wait. He doesn't help. Okay. I have to go this way, fellas. Alright, let's do it anyway. I think. Okay. Ooh, there's something. Alright, we're gonna have to go around. Let's see if we go this way. Okay. Let me see if I can bring these two back. What a relief. Wait, this isn't the full... Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, wait. This way.
Hey! Huh?
Hi. Okay. Let's see. In here? Up! No, you're not. That is so cute. Look! 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 What are we looking at? Only one of the greatest games of all time. Are you old enough to be watching this? My dad says I have an old soul. Speaking of your dad, he asked me to come and collect you for show and tell. Sure. That was easy. There must be a catch. I'll go as soon as the screen stops showing things. And there it is. Let's see. If the screen goes dark, you promise you'll come back to your dad? Ducklings honor. Okay. Is there... How do I go about... Okay, do I have to go up there? Interesting chaos and humanity. And hope that we make it. Okay. Didn't make that. So... Okay, wait. Okay. We gotta go over... Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Is it this thing? Okay. I thought I had to like go over there and break the pipe or something. Hi. Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Are the walls supposed to be sliding around like that? Definitely not. Oh, when I blink I can see purple shapes. Oh. I think some time away from that screen is a very good idea. Shall we get you back to your dad? Okay, I can tell him about all the new combos I saw M. Bilson do. Let's waddle. Alright. We have one more. Let's see. We'll go out of here. Okay. Which way? This way? Okay, yeah, I'm going right. Let me see what this is. Stop it right now. That is so cute. Okay, you are... I don't know. Wait, what's wrong? Okay. Somewhere over here? Oh. Let's not. There's a dog ball. There's a dog wall. Ooh, wait. Is there something in here? Oh. Excuse me, duckies. I have to get just right to do this. Oh, there's the bone. Alright. A butterfly hat! Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I don't know why it does this. Oh no. Sorry. Are you trying to crawl too? It's not working. Okay, get under there. Excuse me, I have a bone to deliver. Thank you. Am I supposed to go this way? Wait, I passed up the duck. Wait. Alright, let's see if we can go this way, because the duck seems to be, like, right around this area. Ooh, don't cut. Is it in here? There's a hat. Kawaii. I'm simply irresistible. That's so cute. Okay, so I have a problem. How am I gonna get out of here now? Oh no. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Oh, good. I was scared. Excuse me. I was scared there for a moment, not gonna lie. Okay, so this isn't the way then? Okay, that was the way to that. Wait, is there something over here? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, no. Look at me. I have a pond all to myself. Are you sure it's a pond? I'm a duck. We know about ponds. Of course. My bad. My apologies. I think it might be time to get out of your pond, though. Your dad sent me to collect you for show and tell. But there's still water to play in. Okay, we're gonna get something to... Pond life forever. Not if I can help it. Alright. Okay, let's go shopping. Ah, nice. Fine, we're gonna just pull this. Now, how a cat can pull a fan this far, or at all, this cat is astounding. That was such a cool solution, kitty. Thank you. I hope you're not too disappointed to be on dry land again. Nah, I was starting to get a tiny bit tired and a big bit hungry anyway. Ooh, maybe Dad will have snacks. You can ask him at show and tell. I'd forgotten show and tell. That would be the perfect place to tell everyone all about the swimming I did. Let's go, kitty. Oh, no. Okay, well, that actually helped me. Alright, now let's find our way back to Dad. I gotta turn around. Ow. Alright, can I take a photo of, like, all of them? Wrong button. How was that the wrong button? Oh, that's the mouse button. But wait, I want the cat looking up. Alright, never mind. Come on. Excuse me. Let's take something like that. Don't mind if I do. Am I lost? think I'm lost, not gonna lie. Yeah, that's where I started.
Huh?
Tanuki, we are not ready for you. Excuse me, there's some shinies over here calling my name. The little bird, I can't. Alright, I found y'all with the map, so let's see. Okay. That's
Hey?
Alright, there we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all of them. What a relief. I was starting to get a little panicky. We were fine, Dad. I was the most fine. You were not. Was too. Nuh-uh. Yeah. Children, please. You were all exactly the same amount of fine. It was nice to meet you all. Oh, children, have you thanked the kind kitty for all their help? Thank you. You're welcome. Not you. We're talking to the kitty. Thank you, kitty. We love you, kitty. Aww. Dad, you have to say it too. Ah, quite right. Thank you, kitty. Please take this as a reward for everything you've done. Oh, the cat. Oh, it makes me feel like part of the family. Dad, Dad, Dad. Makes me think of the Lion King. When Simba goes, Dad, Dad. Is it time for show and tell? Absolutely. Let's do it over in the pond. Rad. Bye-bye, kitty. Toodaloo. Enjoy your hat. My show and tell is going to be the best. We're saying goodbye to the kitty. It's useful information. Stay safe, Ducklings. Have a good show and tell. Oh, they are so cute. No, I'm not ready for you. Look how cute. Hold on. Hold everything. Actually, look how cute. Okay. We are going to... Oh, not that. Not that. Wait, not that. Hold on. I'm gonna get it. I will get it. Okay, maybe I won't. Alright, we're going to end it there for now. I'm just trying to sit down. Alright, we're going to end it here for now. Look at them. They're so cute. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please smash that like button. Comment, even if it's emoji. Remember to stay hydrated and take care of yourself. Bye.